Hello. So today we are going to explore the difference between quality control and quality assurance. So quality is a culture. Quality is not an one-time event. It is a continuous process. So now we need to understand the what is the difference between quality control and quality assurance. In this video, we will explore everything in details about the difference between quality control and quality assurance. So quality control and quality assurance, these two are the key pillars in quality management system. People normally misinterpret and they are confused about the fact that both are same, but no, they serve the different purposes. So now I'm giving one quotation for all of you to understand about the quality control and quality assurance. The quality control fixes, whereas quality assurance prevents. Now, together they build the trust. They build the trust of the audience, build the trust of the customers. Now, if the quality is the top notch, what will happen? The customers will be happy. It will meet the requirements of the customers, and as a result of which, your business will grow. So, quality control and quality assurance has direct impact on the business. That is why these two are the key pillars in quality management system and for the growth of the business. Hello, this is Surajit Banerjee. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World. So, now I am giving the differences between the quality control and quality assurance, everything in my subsequent slides. So, what is the definition? The quality control ensures the product meet the standards by detecting the defects. So, quality control basically product oriented, whereas quality assurance it prevents the defects by improving the processes. So, quality assurance basically focuses on the process. Now, objective quality control identify and fix issues in the final products, whereas quality assurance creates a system and process that avoids issues from the start. So, quality control it basically fixes and identify the issues in the final products, whether quality assurance it basically builds the system and the processes so that the defects can be prevented from the start. Now, the approach. So quality control approach is reactive approach because it acts after the production. Quality assurance approach is proactive approach. It focuses on preventing the problems before they occur. So that is a proactive approach. Now, the focus area. Quality control is product oriented, checks the output, the final product. Quality assurance is process oriented, monitors and improves the workflow. Now, the techniques used. Quality control, the various techniques used are inspection, testing, sampling. In quality assurance, the various techniques used are basically process audits, documentation, standardization, standard operating procedures, trainings, all these things involved in quality assurance. Now, the responsibility. So, quality control is done by usually handled by the quality inspectors or quality testing teams, whereas quality assurance it is managed by quality assurance and process improvement teams. Now, the timing. Quality control happens after the production, but quality assurance happens during and before the production. Whenever you are bringing the raw material, from there the quality starts. And in process, all these stages, you have the quality checks. So during the production and before happening of the production, there is checking. And when the final product, before delivering the final product to the customers, there is a checking. That is basically quality control at the final stage of the product. But quality assurance, it has quality checks at each and every stages. So it basically helps to build the system and the process so that you can ensure the defect-free components. So it is a process oriented, where the quality control is basically product oriented. And now the goal. So quality control delivered the defect-free products, but quality assurance build a reliable process to ensure the consistent quality every time. If you can build the system and the process in such a way so that there is no defect in process stages, then what will happen? You will be able to meet the requirements of the customers and ensure a consistent quality every day. Now, an example: testing a finished car before delivery. Whenever you want to deliver a car to the customer, you do have some testing, and that is basically your quality control, comes under quality control. But quality assurance, designing the assembly process to minimize the production errors. But to manufacture the car, you have the each and every stages are there and quality checks are involved there up to the assembly stages. And before, so these stages are involved under the quality assurance. So in process stages, from the raw material to the final assembly, you have all the checks involved. That comes on quality assurance. And whenever you want to deliver the car to the final customers, you have the checks, the testing. This comes under your quality control. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insightful content. And you can also join our exclusive WhatsApp community to get free updates on Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques. Everything you'll get for free into our WhatsApp community. You can join there and stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time and thanks for being part of this journey with the Lean Six Sigma world. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart. So thank you and thank you so much.